Okay, so as you can see, we basically did some stuff to the car. As I said, I'd have to put in a new fuel pump, which I did now. So I'm running a AEM 340 liter per hour now, which should be sufficient for the boost level that I'm running at, because the stock fuel pump is only capable of handling around 250 horsepower at max, and that's already stretching it. And we put in some gauges that actually work, so a boost gauge and an oil pressure gauge, so you know what oil pressure we're running. In the meantime, I've also now decided to widen that hole for the fender exit wastegate dump, although this is still rubbing, so I'll still have to widen that some more. So excuse the noises if there are any. There probably will be, either from this or from my valve train making some weird noise, which I don't know where it's coming from. Valves are lashed correctly, and I have torn down the block again, so it's not from the block. Also, it definitely comes from the head. So yeah. So this is gonna be the first longer drive. It's nice and cool outside. Fuel pump. There we go. Gonna have to get it up to temperature first. We are running about 7 PSI, so 0.5 bar, which is the smallest spring I have right now for the external wastegate. I hope you can understand me somewhat, because it's kind of loud in here, or rather, well, in general. Can't see anybody.